There is a reason why a promiscuous woman is not respected compared to a promiscuous man. Back in the day, in some families, it was mandatory to marry a virgin. Even today, to some extent, elders who follow cultural practices would appreciate it if you would marry a virgin. I never understood it then, but now I do, and it's because of microchimerisms. Usually, we are familiar with microchimerisms during a pregnancy of a woman, when a baby would transfer genetic information to the mother, or iatrogenically via blood transfusion or organ transplant. But the one I want to focus on is that of sexual intercourse. During sexual intercourse, a man leaves a piece of his DNA inside the womb of a woman, and it goes to the bloodstream and eventually stored in the brain. So, the more a woman has sex with a particular man, the woman's DNA changes to mimic that of the man to a certain extent. This explains why when a couple has been together for a very long time, they end up looking alike. So when a woman has DNA traces of many men inside of her, she starts to change in her behavior and mannerisms as well, because her cells are changing. Some scientists call this DNA traces warrior sperm. This sperm will fight for territory inside of her. Remember, men are territorial in nature, on a macrocosm and also on a microcosm. So you could have a child with a particular woman who have slept with a lot of men. Those other men's DNA will be assimilated into the fetus when a woman gets pregnant, which means the baby could have some physical features or emotional traits of the previous partners. So on a spiritual level, ancients understood that when you marry a woman who slept with a lot of men, you're basically bringing in ancestral lineage of those other men in your home.